Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 3h plus 5 is greater than 14. We will go step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 3h plus 5 greater than 14, we begin by isolating the variable h. First, we need to eliminate the constant term on the left side, which is plus 5. We do this by subtracting 5 from both sides of the inequality. This keeps the inequality balanced, as whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So 3h plus 5 minus 5 greater than 14 minus 5. This simplifies to 3h greater than 9. Now, the inequality 3h greater than 9 is in a simpler form. At this step, our goal was to move the constant term to the right side of the inequality. In inequality notation, we have 3h greater than 9. Next, let's proceed to step 2. Next, to fully isolate the variable h, we need to get rid of the coefficient in front of h, which is 3. To do this, we divide both sides of the inequality by 3, since 3h means 3 multiplied by h. Dividing by 3 will cancel out the multiplication. We now have 3h divided by 3 greater than 9 divided by 3. Performing the division, we are left with h greater than 3. This step alters the problem by eliminating the coefficient in front of h, thereby fully isolating the variable. This is a crucial step because it simplifies the inequality to just h and a number, making it easier to understand and interpret. In inequality notation, we have h greater than 3. In interval notation, this solution is written as open interval 3 to positive infinity. This concludes the process of solving the inequality 3h plus 5 greater than 14. The solution is h greater than 3 in inequality notation and open interval 3 to positive infinity in interval notation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.